Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve financial literacy with Dave Ramsey. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Understanding financial literacy is crucial for making informed decisions about money. Dave Ramsey offers practical advice to help you get started. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. List your income sources and monthly expenses. Track your spending for at least a month to identify patterns. Next, establish a budget based on your income and expenses. Use the envelope system if you prefer cash budgeting. Assign specific amounts of cash to different expense categories. This method helps you stick to your budget more effectively. Once your budget is set, focus on building an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will protect you from unexpected financial setbacks. After you've established your emergency fund, tackle debt. List your debts from smallest to largest. Make minimum payments on all except the smallest debt. Put any extra money toward that smallest debt until it's paid off. Then move to the next smallest debt and repeat the process. This strategy is known as the debt snowball. It helps you gain momentum and motivation as you eliminate debts. Once your debts are cleared, start investing for your future. Consider retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA. Understand the power of compound interest over time. Keep educating yourself about personal finance. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend classes. Experiment with different budgeting tools and apps to find what works for you. Join community workshops or online forums for additional support. As you progress, review your financial goals regularly. Adjust your budget and plans as needed to stay on track. Remember, improving financial literacy is a continuous journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.